Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone.
Today we're reviewing the Tozo Tonal Fits wireless earbuds. The Tonal Fits are true wireless earbuds, which means they're completely cable-free. They use Bluetooth 5.3 technology and have a range of about 10 meters. Each earbud has a 14.2mm speaker driver and operates in a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz. They feature dual microphones with one in each earbud and come with DNS and noise cancellation. They're compatible with any smartphone on the market, whether you have an Android or an iPhone. They also have their own smartphone app, which lets you adjust settings like equalization. As usual with this type of earbuds, they come with a carrying case that doubles as a charging dock and portable battery, so we can charge the headphones wherever we are. In this case, the headphones battery provides us with approximately 6 hours of continuous use as long as we keep them at medium volume. On top of that, if we include the battery in the carrying case, we can get a total of about 44 hours of use. Plus, the case can be charged both with a cable and wirelessly. They have an IPX8 protection rating, which means we can submerge them up to about 1 meter deep for half an hour. Lastly, they're available for around €50. As always, I've left a direct link in the description below in case you want to grab a pair. Now guys, after looking at the features, let's move on to the unboxing. Alright guys, as for the contents of the box, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. First off, we have, of course, the headphones inside their carrying case. As you can see, in this case, they're red. There are 4 colors available: black, blue, red, and green. And the folks at Tozo have sent me the red ones for this review. We'll set these aside for now and take a closer look later. As for accessories, you can see we only have the USB-C charging cable to charge the carrying case. We also have the quick start guide and user manual here. As you can see, there are no interchangeable silicone ear tips, since these aren't in-ear headphones, but rather owner style. This means they sit on top of the ear rather than going inside the ear canal. So folks, now that we've finished the unboxing, let's move on to the really interesting part, taking a detailed look at the headphones. As always, before we take a look at the earbuds themselves, let's quickly go over the charging and carrying case. In this case, it weighs 43 grams with the earbuds inside. As for its dimensions, it's 5.5 centimeters wide, 4 centimeters tall, and 2.5 centimeters deep. On the back, we find the USB-C port for charging the case. As you can see, once we open the case, there's an LED indicator on the front showing the battery level. And inside, of course, we have the earbuds, which as always are perfectly magnetized to ensure proper charging. Each earbud weighs 3 grams. As you can see, they're stick-style earbuds and measure approximately 3 centimeters. As you can observe, on the outer part, we have the Tozo logo along with the LED indicator, and this is also where the touch controls are located. At the bottom, we find the charging pins, a microphone, and the left and right indicators. And finally, on the inside, we have the earbud speaker itself, along with another microphone and a bass port. When it comes to connecting the headphones to our mobile phone, the process is actually very simple. The first thing we need to do is take both earbuds out of the carrying case. Once we have them out, we just need to go to our mobile phone, turn on Bluetooth, and wait for it to find the earbuds. As you can see, it was very quick. It's already showing Tozo Tonal Fits at the bottom here. We just need to tap on it, and after a few seconds, the earbuds are fully connected and ready to use. Now, let's quickly go over how the touch controls on the earbuds work. First of all, for both the left and the right earbud, if we do a single tap, it will pause whatever we're watching or listening to, and with another tap, we'll hit play, which will resume playback. This touch feature also works for answering or ending calls. Additionally, on both earbuds, a triple tap will activate the phone's voice assistant, in this case Siri. Let's take a look at the functions of each earbud separately. Starting with the right earbud, a continuous touch will increase the volume. As you can see, if we keep tapping, the volume goes up. Also with this earbud, a double tap will skip to the next track. Switching to the left earbud, it's the same but reversed. Long touches will decrease the volume, and a double tap will go to the previous track. Overall, the Tozo Tonal Fits offer more than decent sound quality. The bass and treble are quite good, and they can get pretty loud. Having them at about 60 to 70% volume should be enough to hear them without much trouble. On the plus side, the headphones are very comfortable and lightweight. Additionally, the controls are excellent, comprehensive, and well implemented in the touch-sensitive area. As for areas of improvement, I'd like the battery life to be a bit longer, since those 6 hours at medium volume are a tad short for, say, wearing them throughout a workday. Alright folks, that wraps up the review of the True Wireless Tozo Tonal Fits wireless earbuds. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It's super important. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next video.